download the app. Once downloaded, you would press start and follow the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do after you press start is that you will need to tap onto the safety lever so that it becomes highlighted in red, and that the lever is horizontally orientated to activate all the controls. Okay. Then you would press onto the left thumbstick to swing the excavator left and right, and to extend and retract the dipper. Then you can try pressing on the right thumbstick, which will allow you to bring the bucket in and out and raise and lower the boom. Okay. Here, we can use both thumbsticks at the same time. Right. And this is commonly done on site, right? So now we have the left and right slider controls, which are used to move the excavator left, right, forwards, backwards, and even rotate left to right. So this simulation has been provided to give you an enhanced and interactive learning experience. Now it is your turn to play around with the app and upload your recording onto Moodle.